The pandemic fueled home renovations, and they continue into 2022. According to the 2022 U.S. Houzz Bathroom Trends Study, the national median spend for bathroom renovations jumped 13% over the year to $9,000. This was a survey of more than 2,500 homeowners. I'm so glad you're watching. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 bathroom remodeling trends this year. According to the study of 2,500 homeowners who are planning or have completed bathroom renovations, upgraded home systems included ventilation systems, radiant heating, and a tankless water heater. Vanities, countertops, and walls continue to remain white as the popular color. Transitional styles are popular, adding a combination of traditional and modern elements, such as modern fixtures with antiques. If you would like the complete 2022 U.S. Houzz Bathroom Trends Study, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new home is only a click away.